Patriotism is when love of your own people comes first. Nationalism, when hate for people other than your own comes first. Always choose the hardest way. On it you will not find opponents. I have come to the conclusion that politics are too serious a matter to be left to the politicians. Politics, when it is an art and a service, not exploitation, is about acting for an ideal through realities. In order to be a master, the politician poses as the servant. A politician never believes what he says. He is surprised when others believe him. Silence is the ultimate weapon of power. Don't ask me who's influenced me. A lion is made up of the lambs he's digested, and I've been reading all my life. Treaties you see are like girls and roses. They last while they last. When I am right, I get angry. Churchill gets angry when he is wrong. We are angry at each other much of the time. There is no prestige without mystery, for familiarity breeds contempt. Much publishing is done for politics, friends, and natural stupidity. The cemeteries are full of indispensable men. You live, only the best get killed. The sword is the axis of the world, and grandeur cannot be divided. Nothing builds authority up like silence, splendor of the strong and shelter of the weak. One must speak little. In action, one must say nothing. The chief is the one who does not speak. It's better to have a bad method than to have none. The better I get to know men, the more I find myself loving dogs. I am to pour de beau. Nations have no friends, only interests. France has lost a battle, but France has not lost the war. France cannot be France without greatness. All my life I have had a certain idea of France. You must be sure that the Americans will commit all the stupidities they can think of, plus some that are beyond imagination. Belgium is a country invented by the British to annoy the French. China is a big country, inhabited by many Chinese. Men can have friends, statesmen cannot. Nothing great will ever be achieved without great men, and men are great only if they are determined to do so. Nothing lasts until it is incessantly renewed. I am a man who belongs to nobody and who belongs to everybody. Deliberation is the work of many men, action of one alone. A man of character finds a special attractiveness in difficulty, since it is only by the coming to grips with difficulty that he can realize his potentialities. How can anyone govern a country that has 246 different varieties of cheese? There can be no prestige without mystery, for familiarity breeds contempt.